What are you doing, Shadow?
Look at him. He's crawling on the ground.
You crawling for it and you can walk.
This rain got him tripping.
This rain got you scraping and scrambling. We got a couple of tornado warnings. St. Louis, Missouri. Shadow probably like, man, let's go. I'm trying to tell y'all to get low. That's what you trying to say. Oh, he crawling over here to me. Trying to sneak up on me. You see this foolishness, Courtney?
I guess he's scared to just stand up and look at the out the what is this?
The window.
Out the
Screen door. Nah, he just crawling toward me. That's all this was about. Do you think he do too much? Like,
Yeah.
as far as me?
Yeah.
I think he do too much too.
He is attached to you.
But you need to play with him some.
I do.
Lay down. Let him play with you. That didn't. He looking like what? He like pause on that one, Brody. Go to Courtney. Go to Courtney. I'm like, nah, man, I come to you. What you got going on here, Shadow? You a boxer, ain't you? You always trying to box around like you dancing on your feet. Yeah, wait till the storm go before you go pee. Sniffing around here ain't gonna work, broski. Wait till it stop raining. He got him. You a big boy? You think he a big boy, Courtney, or?
He's becoming a big boy.
You supposed to watch the storm with me, Shadow, and let me know when it's time to go. Thank you. I'm gonna let you know when I peel off. Issued a tornado. They got a tornado warning there.
Alexa, notification.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for St. Louis. It'll be in effect until April 18th, 6:30 p.m. CDT.
Come here. What's up with you and these nibbles, man? You like to nibble and bite? That's your thing. Is that your skilo? Huh? Is that your moto? Huh? No. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Come here. Come here. You'll sit, but you won't come, huh? It's gonna be a loud thunder. You ready for that loud thunder sound, Shadow? Here it go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finna chase your tail around like a crazy dog now. Oh, you got it. Yeah, he's not the brightest. He's not the brightest, Courtney.
Oh, Larry, yes he is.
No, he's not. You don't see what he's doing?
What? He's having fun.
That's what you call fun. He's serious about trying to get his tail.
What dog doesn't do that?
Bishop didn't.
Oh, please. Let that go. Bishop in her hair.
Chase your tail. Like a mad dog. You a good boy, Shadow. So this is what you have for us today, huh? All right. We done. Come here. Shadow, come here. Don't taste your chill. All right, see you later. Say bye, everyone. Say peace. Say peace.